Planning a move to Virginia? Whether you're relocating for work, family, or a fresh start, understanding the costs and services available is essential. Let's explore what you need to know. Moving costs in Virginia vary based on several factors. On average, moving a one-bedroom apartment locally costs around $469, while moving a four-bedroom house can average up to $2,816. For long-distance moves, costs can range from $1,216 to over $3,290, depending on distance and services required. Several elements impact your moving expenses. Home size. Larger homes require more time and resources. Distance. Longer distances increase transportation costs. Additional services. Packing, storage, and specialty items add to the price. Timing. Moves during peak seasons or weekends may cost more. Virginia offers a variety of moving services to suit your needs. Full-service moves. Comprehensive services covering packing, loading, and transportation. Labor-only moves. Hiring movers to assist with loading and unloading your rental truck. Specialty moves. Handling items like pianos or antiques. To keep costs down, declutter before you pack, reduce the volume of items to move. Book midweek, avoid weekend premiums. Compare quotes, obtain estimates from multiple companies. Plan ahead, schedule your move during off-peak seasons. By understanding moving costs and planning ahead, you can ensure a smooth and affordable move to Virginia. Thanks for watching. For more moving tips and advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.